What's the meaning of botulism? Botulism. Botulism.
Botulism. Botulism. Botulism is a rare but serious illness caused by a toxin produced by the bacterium Clostridium botulinum. The toxin attacks the body's nervous system and can cause symptoms such as muscle weakness, paralysis, and difficulty breathing. In severe cases, it can even be fatal. Botulism can be contracted through contaminated food or by wounds infected with the bacteria. Proper food preservation techniques, such as canning at high temperatures, can prevent its spread. Early diagnosis and prompt treatment with an antitoxin can also improve outcomes for those affected.